Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPad has a camera app and is updated. This ensures QR scanning works. Once done, open Settings only if camera permissions need enabling, then return to the home screen. Now tap the camera app and point the lens at the QR code. Hold the iPad about 1 to 3 feet away, steady it, and keep the code centered. You do this because the camera needs clear focus to detect the code automatically, not by pressing any extra buttons. Once the camera has the QR code in view, you'll see a yellow box or a banner pop up. This means the iPad recognized the pattern. Make sure to isolate the single code by moving slightly if the camera shows multiple codes, because accuracy matters for the correct action. When the banner appears, tap it to open the link, add a contact, join Wi-Fi, or trigger the intended action. You should avoid tapping the screen before the banner. Let the system generate the correct prompt. To complete the task, tap the banner to accept the action, then follow the on-screen prompts. For example, confirm a website or join the network. If nothing happens, first tap the code area to trigger autofocus, then try again. Make sure to finish by closing the camera or returning to your app. Troubleshooting tip: if scanning still fails, clean the lens, increase ambient light, restart the camera app, or reboot the iPad. These steps fix most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.